Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of mass purchase order sent by email in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application streamlines vendor communication by allowing you to send multiple purchase order in bulk via email, each with the PO PDF attached. It features customizable email template and a smart filter to track with orders have been sent and which are pending. This tool boosts efficiency and ensure consistent professional communication with suppliers. So first of all, we will go into the purchase module, open that, and here you will find the purchase orders. Now I will be selecting these four purchase order number 11, purchase order number 10, purchase order 9 and purchase order number 8. You can see the status of these purchase order are purchase order. Now under action button, I will find a menu for mass purchase order email sent. Open that and here you need to select an email template. So I will be selecting email template as purchase order cancellation. You will select that and click on send. It will throw you a validation error saying purchase order is not cancelled, cannot send order cancellation. So as we saw that the status of these purchase order were purchase orders, so it will show us a validation error if we select order cancellation. Now we will be selecting purchase request for quotation, and now we will be sending this email. Again it will throw us a validation error saying purchase order is not in draft state, cannot send quotation. Again it is in purchase order state, so it will throw us a validation error. Now this time we will be selecting purchase order. Now select purchase order email template and click on send. As soon as you click on the send button, you can see your purchase email are sending in progress. Now here you can see the email is sent to the customers. Here you can find the boolean for purchase order confirmation email. You can see the boolean is true. Open any one purchase order and in the chatter you can see the log for purchase order email sent. Here you can see the detail of your purchase order. You can also find a PDF. Here you can see the PO confirmation email sent boolean is true, indicating that email is sent. Now we will be checking other purchase order. You can see in here also the boolean is true. Now we will hop on to the settings. Here under technical we will find a menu for emails. Open that and here you will find the email regarding the purchase order we just sended email for. Open that and here you can see from and to email. You can see the email is sent to the word corner. Here you can find the body of your email, and under attachment tab, if you open this purchase order, you will find a download button for PDF. Here if you download it, you can see the PDF of your purchase order. Here you can see the purchase order number and total amount and every little detail in the form of PDF. Now discard this and again we will go into the purchase module. Open this purchase module and in here you can find these purchase order. We will be selecting 6 and 7 purchase order which are in RFQ stage. Now under action button, if I click on mass purchase order email sent, you can see you need to select an email template. I will be selecting purchase order as my email template. Now if I click on send, it will throw me a validation error saying purchase order is not confirmed, cannot send order confirmation. As we knew it was in RFQ state, so it won't be able to send the email for purchase order. And if we click on request for quotation purchase order, it will send the email for RFQ. Now if you select this button, you will find the filter for RFQ and PO. Here you can see RFQ email send, RFQ email draft, PO confirmation email send, PO confirmation email draft, PO cancellation email send, PO cancellation email draft. You can select any one of them. I will be selecting PO confirmation email sent. You can see the purchase order has been filtered out according to the purchase order confirmation email sent. Like this, you can just filter out the purchase order. You can see the purchase orders now after removing the filter.
If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.